I would like to recreate that magical moment for you as it occurred in national television in the 1960s, as introduced by the man who was known as the Parkinson of the colonies, Mr. Ed Sullivan. Ed! Oh, Ed, darling, that was your cue. Oh, the dear man is such a clumsy old fool. Ed, I'll give you your cue again, okay? Here it comes. The Parkinson of the colonies, Mr. Ed Sullivan. Of the colonies, Mr. Ed Sullivan.
From Manchester, England, Peter Harmon Moore, to our Herman Hermit.
Thank you! I'm Evelyn the Eighth, I am. Evelyn the Eighth, I am.